This case may sound routine at first, a deferred adjudication on a third-degree felony drug charge, but don't let the calm courtroom tone fool you. We've got a 6-year-old case, a cross-state move to Montana, promises of sobriety, and then a surprise DUI admission right at the end. The judge starts measured and procedural, but watch closely. The tone shifts, and when it does, the warnings get very real. The question is this truly a second chance? Or a ticking time bomb?
Court is calling 2019 CR 7071, State of Texas versus Benita Williams. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense? And are you Ms. Williams?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, I have. Judge.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Abrams, this is an application. Did you review the document entitled application for deferred with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Did you review the document entitled court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison.
Yes.
And up to $10,000 fine.
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of, I'm sorry, I got backtracked. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
All right. This is what happens sometimes when you multitask. Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
She is.
Ms. Williams, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to appeal. Waived your right to a jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine. State is recommending deferred adjudication, and there's to be $57 for drug testing to SAPD. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 80 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plea? State, any evidence?
Your Honor.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Let's pause right here because this is critical. The judge clearly outlines the stakes: 2 to 10 years in prison and up. to a $10,000 fine for this third-degree felony. That's serious time. But instead of immediate conviction, she's being offered deferred adjudication, meaning if she successfully completes probation, there won't be a final conviction on her record. That's a huge opportunity. However, if she violates, the court can sentence her up to the full 10 years. No trial, no reset, just straight to punishment. So here's the real question. If you were in her position, would you feel relieved? Or nervous knowing one mistake could send you away for a decade?
All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that she has, since getting this case, it's been quite a long time ago, 6 years, I believe. She's moved to Montana. She has a job, making $20 an hour. She says she's clean and sober, and she says that she wants to continue her job and complete the probation, put this behind her finally.
All right, where in Montana?
Bozeman.
Bozeman?
Yes.
And what county is that?
Gallatin.
I'm sorry, what?
Gallatin.
Gallatin. How do you spell that?
Gallatin.
And who do you live with in Montana?
20 Michael Grove.
No.
Oh,
Who do you live
me and my
with?
daughter.
And how old is she?
She's 18 now.
And so, do you have any contact with Jose De Leon?
I don't know who that is.
Stephen Rivera?
Yes,
You still have contact with him?
I do.
How?
Over the phone.
All right, why are you in contact with him?
Because that was my ex and I just keep in contact with him.
Do you know if he's clean and sober?
Yes, he is.
How do you know?
Because he told me so.
All right. Naomi Cantu?
I don't know who that is.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,000 fine. That will be probated. There should be $57 restitution to SAPD for drug testing. Are you asking to be transferred back to Montana?
Yes.
Now this is where things start getting interesting. She says she's moved to Bozeman, Montana, making $20 an hour, living with her 18-year-old daughter, and staying clean. That sounds like progress. But then the judge starts asking about contact with Jose Rivera, and she admits she's still in touch. Even more concerning, she only knows he's sober because he told her so. That's not verification, that's trust. And in drug-related cases, trust without proof is risky. The court isn't just worried about her, it's worried about who she keeps around her daughter. So ask yourself, can you truly move forward if you're still connected to the past that got you here?
All right. Transfer to Bozeman, Montana. And she says that's Gallatin County. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And if they do field visits, I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. 120 hours of community service restitution. Ms. Abrams, will they be able to do a TAP evaluation in Montana?
She'll have to remain in their county until the Montana.
All right, so we'll do a TAP evaluation and 120 sober meetings in 120 days. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Who do I report to while I'm here?
They'll let you know. All right, and also there's to be no contact with the following persons: Jose De Leon, Stephen Rivera, Naomi Cantu, Bertha Montenegro, and who is Priscilla Riviera? I think that is Stephen Rivera's girlfriend. And I think she was his girlfriend while you were dating him during
Oh,
this
no,
case.
no, you're, okay, I know you're talking about his sister, that's his
Mhm.
sister.
All right. If you want to say it's his sister, you can't have contact with her. All right, and that's Priscilla Rivera. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record in this court. To be successful on probation, communication is key. And I'm going to tell you, when they transfer you, if they transfer you to Montana, sometimes people think they get transferred to other places and Bear County doesn't know what's going on. What I can tell you is those probation officers send update to probation. And if there's an issue and if a motion to revoke is filed, you know what's going to end up happening? They're going to arrest you wherever you may be, and you're going to be brought back to San Antonio. If you're in the middle of getting ready to have a meal and they're bringing your food out, they will arrest you right then and there.
You know that I do have a, oh, no.
I was telling her not to interrupt you.
Oh, no, no,
sorry.
no, go ahead. What do you want me to know?
I do have a case pending over there that I'm getting dropped. But I don't know when my court date is as of right now because I've been stuck over here.
Mhm.
So I do got that one going on.
And
over there.
what case do you have
It's a
pending?
DUI for possession of an empty weed pipe, which is not illegal over there. So
Yeah, see, and I had a feeling that maybe you still had drug issues. So that tells me what I need to know. So thank you for that. And I am serious about you not having any contact with that person. And do not be bringing drugs and all of that around your 18-year-old. She doesn't need that. Do not be bringing random men into her life. Do not invite Mr. Rivera to come live with you, because if he does, I am going to find out about it and a motion to revoke will be issued. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
And here's the twist. No one expected right after the judge warns her about staying clean. She casually mentions a pending DUI and possession of a weed pipe case in Montana. That changes the entire tone. You can hear it. The judge immediately connects the dots and tightens the conditions for years deferred adjudication. 120 hours of community service, 120 sober meetings in 120 days. Monthly field visits, strict no contact orders, and zero tolerance for violations. And that final warning? If you slip up anywhere, even mid-meal at a restaurant, you'll be arrested and brought back to Texas. Asterisk, if you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the judge was too strict or just right? And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.